Hey guys, I'm back with a 1-year review of the Gevi Generation 2 Countertop Nugget Ice Maker. Now, if you don't know what Nugget Ice is, it's the same thing as Sonic Ice. I think they also call it Pebble Ice. And Gevi makes these countertop ice makers that are very inexpensive. They sit on your countertop. They have a port in the back to where you can either hard plumb a line, which it comes with, into your water line, or you can manually fill it up, which is the way I've been doing it. I have been meaning to plumb it in, but I haven't done that yet. But the way we use this, we actually manually fill up the ice maker in our fridge. That way we have Nugget ice right here out of the freezer whenever we need it. And that's what the Nugget ice looks like, by the way. Nice crunchable ice. But let's talk about the ice maker itself. So right now it's full by the indicator right there. And we leave this plugged in 24/7. We never unplug it. It's always on. It's always working. And whenever it's full, of course, you'll open it up and you've got a bucket of ice right here. Unfortunately, the scoop, I didn't leave it up whenever I filled up our ice maker, and it's underneath this ice. But you'd pull it out, scoop out the ice, put it in your glass, and away you go. Now, you got the reservoir right down in the bottom there, which is what holds the water. You don't have to pull the bucket out to fill it up. All you got to do is just fill it up right here, up to the bottom, of the bucket. It's got this little ridge right along the door, so you can actually just pour it right here on the door, and it flows in there. If you pour it too fast, sometimes you will get a little bit running out, so you've got to pour it kind of slow, or make sure it's aimed right down in this area here. But other than that, you're good to go. Once it's full, and you shut the door, it'll come on, it'll start making the ice. Whenever this little light's on, that means that it's in the process of making ice. The one thing I do want to say is that this unit is actually quieter than the Generation 1. The Generation 1 I never had a problem with as far as how loud it was. I mean, it's about as loud as our little freezer over there whenever the compressor's running. Once this starts making ice, I don't know if you can hear it on right now, but it actually will get a little bit quieter than that once it kind of gets up and going and it starts turning out the ice. But like I say, we've never turned it off. Since we've had it, it stays on 24/7. And of course, whenever it gets full, it will shut off and won't make any noise at all because it's just sitting there until you open the door, scoop out some ice. Whenever you shut it, then it'll kick back on and start making ice, just like it just did whenever I opened and closed the door. And I don't know if you can hear that it's already dropped some pebbles of ice. It's got a clean feature, which I need to make a video on that. Gevi does send their Descaler and cleaner. I think they send either a 4 or an 8-pack so that you can do routine cleanings on it. And depending on how dirty your water is, now we have a reverse osmosis water filter system, and that's the water that I pour into this, so our ice is actually filtered. But if you're just using tap water or water that's hard water, you're probably going to want to clean it more often. You want to make sure that you get one that'll fit under your counter. This is about 17 inches. I did a video on the unboxing on this unit. I'll put it up in the upper right corner, and I actually did the measurements so that you can see exactly how tall it is. I think it's right around 17 or 17 and a quarter. I can't remember exactly. But you do, whenever I was researching which ice maker to get, some of the ones that I was looking at were taller than my cabinet here, and they would not have slid under the cabinet. So make sure you get one that will slide under your cabinet if that's the way you want to use it. Now, their Generation 1, I'm pretty sure the manual said to make sure you got 3 inches of space on the sides and the back. For some reason, they've changed that on this unit to 6 inches. But we've left it, you can see that I've got about 3 inches here, 3 inches in the back. We have never had a problem. It's always worked. It's always done good. I'm assuming the reason they changed it to 6 inches is because they probably had people that actually had these pressed up too tight against the wall or their backsplash, and it was restricting airflow. So they probably just upped it to 6 inches. I think 3 inches is fine. If you put your hand back here after it's been on for a while, and as long as it's not got a bunch of heat built up back there, you're probably going to be okay. If not, pull it out just a little bit. You just want to make sure you're getting some air circulating all the way around it. Anyway, the $1 million question is, would I buy this again? And I have no reason why I wouldn't. Like I say, it stays on 24/7, and it's never failed to produce ice. It's nice and quiet. It works. It works good. So yeah, I would definitely buy this again. Now, Gevi sent me this one after they saw my first review on the Gen 1. But if this ever fails, I'll be ordering one that day, because I love my Sonic Ice. It is it's just such a pleasure, whether you're just drinking water or anything else that you use ice for. It's just so much nicer than any other ice out there. And just a tip for any refrigerator maker: if anybody ever makes a refrigerator that produces Nugget ice, I will pay whatever the premium is for that fridge to get it, so that I can have Sonic Ice in my refrigerator automatically, instead of having to dump this ice bucket into my ice maker in my refrigerator. That, to me, that would be a nice thing to have in a fridge. Anyway, we're about done. This is definitely, in my opinion, a nice ice maker to have. Now, they make, I know they make at least three different colors: black, white. I don't know if you just heard it kind of ramp down a little bit, but it actually got a little bit quieter. But they make black, white, and maybe they make the one with the door in the middle. I'll put the link in the description of both. You can get these on Amazon or on their actual website. And I'll put the link in both of them. I've got a code that you can use, 737 Mechanic, and you can get a discount off their website. So just look at both sites, and whoever's cheaper, if you order one, that'd be the way to go. But anyway, we're done. Gevi Generation 2 Ice Maker. You guys take care, and we'll see you.